All right, yeah, it is nighttime. I'm heading to Walmart. Try to get the cheapest gear I can for fishing tomorrow. And let's see if I can catch some fish. Yeah, the old faithful Walmart. Here we go.
Okay, I went to Walmart to buy the cheapest combo set I can get, and I came out with this. Also got this lure. All came out to $15.33. Let's see where we can catch, all right? Let's go.
I want to try out this little Zebco, hopefully. Look at that. It's a Doc Demon Zebco. Got it for like $14.99 at Walmart. Never caught anything off this thing, but man, do I want to. And here we are. That's little channel. Drove by here a few times. Look at this. Look at this. See that down there? Yeah, you do. So I'm gonna throw something. I'm gonna throw it in right there. And oops. Let's see if we can catch something. I got a little night crawler on here. And here we go. Drag this in a little bit. Drag it in a little bit. Got a little weight on there. It's about right there. Let's see what happens. Whew. I just seen a little fish jump. There's definitely fishes out here, bruh. All right, so I got a snag on that other one, and I don't think I can get down right here, but I see fishes jumping right over here. Let me see how far I can get down without falling. Yeah, that's about it. Let's see if I can catch this sucker out that far at least. Oh, I can. All right. Hopefully I don't get a snag. I saw a fish jumping right here. A couple of them actually. So come on. Do something. Yep. Right off the Zebco. I want to say it's like less than 15 bucks I got this thing for. But it's fun. If you never had a Zebco before, you got to get one. Little things are fun. Come on, man. I seen you jump, dude. Oh, they turned the water off. That's weird. I should be on the other side because I see rocks. I see the fish jump like right there. Right there. Oh, oh, I'm getting hit. Look at the tip, look at the tip, look at the tip. Got him. Oh, she got him. Got him off the Zebco. Yeah, look at this guy. Oh, the sunfish. Look at this guy. See him? What a beautiful looking guy. Look at that. See him? Got him off the Zebco right here. God, that's a beautiful looking fish. Hold on. Isn't that a nice looking guy? All right, let me get the hook out of him. Look at that. Off the Zebco, man. Didn't skunk. Yay! All right. Like we always say, be free. Yeah, that was dope. I like it. So, all I did was throw it. See that split shot? Maybe you can see it right there. Maybe right there. That split shot. Put a little red worm on there. See? Got him with the Zebco. Woo! That was pretty cool, man. So, earlier I went to a pond. It was a Howe Pond, and dude, I think that fished it out. You know what I mean? Really, because when I got there was like a couple guys with what 7-foot poles out there with a little pond. But I met a dude named Prime, Prime Time from where's that? From Mississippi. So anyways, shout out to Prime Time from Mississippi that I met at Howell Pond. All right, if you're watching, you're a cool brother. Keep fishing. All right, so this is gonna be funny. I'm gonna walk down this right here. A lot of grip. I got grippy shoes, and if I fall, it'll be on camera. Woo-hoo-hoo. Things you do for fish. I think I'll put it over there. Yeah, let me check that sucker over there. Over there. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Got the professional Zebco out. I think it's fun. Little Doc Demon, it says. Oh shit, look at that big old carp. Dead one. See it? I don't know. Somewhere. Right there somewhere. What happened to you, bud? Got beat up? Ooh, got one. Look at that. You were just hiding, weren't you? There, see him? So that's the second one right here. This guy, a nice looking guy. Can you see him? Okay. All right, Zebco Doc Demon, you did it. All right, nice looking guy. My second one. Sheesh. Come on, be free. Watch. You got a big mouth, dude. Wow, go home. That's two. Like it. Fishing and shit, brother. Gotta love it. Anyways, didn't skunk. See that beautiful sky right there? Let me know things are gonna be all right. You guys go out fishing. Like I said, this right here was out like, god dang, I keep saying $14.99, but I got it at Walmart. And it's just fun. Spin cast is just fun. You guys get you one, all right? Zebco Doc Demon, gotta love it. I didn't skunk today. Woo! Don't fall. But look at that. Look at that sunset. So I came out here with this guy, the Zebco Doc Demon. Love it, like less than 15 bucks, man, at Walmart. And saw this little place right here, just driving down, never fished before. And I caught two of those fishes that you guys just saw earlier. Not nice. Anyways, if you guys like what you saw, hit the like button, all right? Subscribe also, tell your friends. All right, thank you for tuning into Fishing and Shit. We'll see you guys on the next time, all right? See ya. That was cool.